Hey there, so let me give you a quick hands-on demo of what ConfKit can do for you today. So ConfKit is a unified MCP configuration manager. So if you are an avid user of MCP just like me, then this is exactly what you are missing in your toolkit. So once you open up the application in the onboarding, you'll have to log in with Google, which I'll do it in a second. Yeah, so once I'm logged in, it will say that welcome back as I previously logged in. And for you, it will automatically discover all the MCP clients that you have in your system. So for me, it tells these are the clients that I use, and these are the number of MCP servers that it automatically detected. So, and in the screen, as it already knew that I had all these existing variables, but for you can just press run extraction, and it will just extract every single variable that you had previously, and now all of them are stored securely, and also you can manage all of them through this global interface. So once you're inside the application, so the main screen you will be landing on is the dashboard. So this is kind of the spotlight view. So you can see the total MCPs that you have, all the MCP clients and the environment variables. So this is kind of the spotlight. But the most important screen is this MCP screen, which is all we've been waiting for. So here you can see all the MCP servers throughout the different clients that you have. So for example, in Codex, I have just these 3 MCPs, but in Cursor, which I've been using for so long, I have a lot of MCP. So today, if I want to add a new MCP, traditionally in Codex, I would have to go inside the Codex directory and open up this some cryptic config.toml file, which is for this, for example. And just by seeing this, even I am just getting so much weird, because you'll have to go to GitHub and learn about all the syntax and everything. So what you can do is, so for example, I want to copy some MCP here from Cursor. So you can just click on add server and just copy. Yeah, so let's say I want to copy the MCP weather MCP which I just added. So it automatically detects the environment keys as well, and I'll just click Codex and press save. So now we have a new MCP in our Codex. So you don't even have to go inside the configuration anymore if you don't even want it. So let me just open up Codex, see what it did. So yeah, so here you can see MCP weather is added. I'll just ask what's weather and Bangalore. So yeah, you can see it fired the right tool and it got back the result as well. Everything is successful. So this is the power with which you can add MCPs today. And the best thing so far here is the discover portal. So here, let's say you want to add some MCPs, which I think Firecrawl is one I have been waiting to try since so long. Let's just write Firecrawl MCP. So currently it can search through the entire GitHub repositories, so to find out the actual MCP servers. So you can see this is the official Firecrawl MCP server. So I'll click on add. And the best part is this. So you don't have to even open up GitHub, because it analyzes the entire GitHub repo and then gives you the exact configuration that you need. So here it analyzes that I have npx, pnpm, all of these. So it chooses pnpm by default. And here you can see what environment variables you want to add. So it says obtain your Firecrawl API key by creating an account, which I already have, by the way. So I'll just go to Firecrawl dev. Yeah, so this is my API key. I'll copy it and ConfKit. You can just paste it as well. So if you previously had some API keys, also you can just pick from the drop down here. It kind of acts like Postman, which stores your environment variables. And so here, let's select Codex for now and click on that. So by default, if you go to Codex now, you'll have Firecrawl here. So let's just restart Codex. And by the way, in the previous step, you could have added it to all of your clients as well in the same go. But I'm just demoing it on Codex only. So yeah, we have Firecrawl. So now let's ask it a question. Okay, so I end up typing this long prompt, and let's see what it uses. Okay, so it called Firecrawl and the tool call was a success. And now it will go ahead and analyze and read all the pages. So you get the point. So this is how easily you can add MCPs now. And the other thing that I love is environment variables. So here you can like abstract all the environment variables you are using throughout all the MCP clients. So you can add a note to it. For example, this project I remember is for Sensi-Plan project, and probably some API keys you might have had, expiration date, for example, expires in 3 months. So this is all you can do basically, and you can toggle this, add new environment keys, all of these. So what we are going to add in future is also really cool. So we're going to add like a profile section. So for example, some MCP keys you might have like multiple MCPs with different keys. So you can switch your profile based on whichever keys you want to use, and you can basically have a same MCP with 2 different keys and 2 different profiles. So it sounds really cool to me, and I'll just go ahead and build that out recently. And and so on site settings, currently you can just see the default file path, and you can also edit it if you are using like in something like Windows, and if you are on WSL or something and it doesn't automatically edit that, which it does by the way. So you can just configure the exact file path here if you want to. Yeah, so this is the entire demo, and let me know how you like it and what result this gives. I think GPT-5 is going bonkers now. So yeah, so this is what the demo is all about. Let me know your feedback and how you would love to use it, and thanks for being here. Bye.
3 days later.
Okay, so I might just have ran out of all my Filecloud credits here, but it seems like this is what the top 5 places to visit in the world are. So if you're interested, you might go to Antarctica Expedition Cruise sometime later this year. So yeah, thanks, bye.